Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So to start off this video, I will be unboxing these gel polishes I got from iMethod Beauty. They was kind enough to send me this for free, so I'm going to be doing a video on these today. And I will make sure that I link these below, that way you can find where to purchase these. And the bottles are 8 milliliters. In the box it comes with the little thank you card and their social medias on how to contact them. And then it also comes with the instruction book. And these gel polishes are 100% vegan, cruelty free. So if you would like to support them, make sure that you go do that. And then in the booklet it shows you the colors, but I'm gonna swatch these colors real quick for you guys. So far these are what the colors are looking like, and this is just the first coat cured for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna apply another second, but I won't show it on camera. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. And this is the second coat, and it doesn't really look too much different. So the first coat is like pretty much pigmented, so that you don't need a second coat. And then these are how they look matte. I think I love these best matte because the last three is like they're so pretty to me. And then next I'm going to show you guys what they look like with the glossy top coat, and as you can see they are still super pretty. So from first impressions, the coverage of these gel polishes are super good, and I do recommend these, and I will leave the links to where you can buy these gel polishes and more from them down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump into this nail set. So I'm starting off with these extra long nail tips. I'm going to use them as some full cover nails today, so I'm just rounding out the back so that they fit my nail bed and cuticle area better. And then I'm just going to file the top of the nails so that once I put them on, it looks more natural near the cuticle area. And once I have done all of the nails that way, I'm just going to apply a thin layer of base coat to my nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. To apply these nails, I'm going to be using the Apres Dupe method, so I'm just applying a little bit of base coat gel into the nails, and then starting from the cuticle, I'm adding light pressure towards the tip, making sure that the gel covers the whole nail. And then I'm just going to flash cure in my lamp for about 15 seconds, and then once I have all of them on, I'm going to go in for another 60 seconds to make sure that they are fully cured. And so once out the light for that 60 seconds, these are how the nails are looking once they are applied. And then I wanted to file around my cuticle area more because I wanted them a little bit more flat to my natural nails. So I'm just taking my hand file and just filing around my cuticle. You don't need a nail drill. You can just take your hand file or a buffer or whatever and just file near the cuticles. And then I'm just going to lightly wipe away that dust with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to go in with my gel polish. So I'm taking my black gel polish and I'm just going to paint a layer over all the nails and then cure for 30 seconds. And when I cured these, I did have to like cure my thumb separately because I couldn't put it in the lamp with the other nails. But after I cure all of them, this is how they look. And look at me looking like Edward Scissorhands because I never know how to hold my hands. They're just too long, y'all. And so I'm just taking the green color, the olive green color in the kit that I showed in the beginning of the video, and I'm just painting some in the nail, not like in a specific order or not. I'm just putting somewhere I feel like I want to put it, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then I went in with another color. I went in with the lighter green color and just putting some on top of that, and then I'm also going to cure for 30 seconds. And then once we have that cure, I just mix some white gel polish and some top coat, mixing that together to get this milky white color. And I'm just putting that over the green colors that I put. And then I'm not going to cure that. This is the part that gets interesting. So I'm doing bubble nails, as you guys can see from the title. I didn't mention what I was doing. So I'm just going to take some water and I'm putting some soap in the cup, and then I'm going to give it a stir, making some bubbles. And you can blow in the straw to make some bubbles. And without curing the white part that you just put on the nail, I'm just gonna put some bubbles on the nail, making sure that it is fully covered over the entire white part. And then I'm going to cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds without wiping this off. And I will say, the smaller the bubbles, the smaller the print will be once you finish curing. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory, but I just want to mention that anyway. And then once it comes out the light, I just put some rubbing alcohol on a paper towel and just lightly wiping the surface to remove the little foamy part. And then I'm going to move on to the next nail. And so I only watched 2 videos. I didn't want like my nails to turn out exactly like theirs. I wanted to put like my own twist on these. So I only watched 2 videos. I just wanted an idea of what to do. So I'm just putting on like different colors, making sure to cure for 30 seconds after each color that I apply. And then once I'm ready to do the bubbles, I'm just going to put some of the milky white and then put on the bubbles. And then I'm just going to do that for all the nails. Like, I just play around with these, like experimenting. This wasn't really a serious set. I'm taking these off like right after I do these because they are too long and I can't do anything with these nails. So yeah, I just had fun with these set, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So after doing the pinky finger, these are how the nails turned out. And I didn't show my thumb because I felt like 4 fingers was enough for you guys to see. So I just did that one off camera. And these nails are textured. I wanted to get rid of some of that texture. So I lightly went over the surface of the nail with my hand file. And then once I do that, I'm just going to go over the nails with some top coat. And I was running out of top coat, but I didn't really like make it my mission to like fill these nails up with top coat, because I was gonna take these off like once I was done finished taking pictures and stuff. So I just put a little bit of top coat on it, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. And then these are how the nails turn out. For my first time doing this, I think I did pretty good. Comment down below what you guys think. It was just something fun to do. I enjoyed doing these. And if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, make sure that you go check out my last video. All of the rules and instructions will be in that video. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.